Hi everybody and welcome to another tutorial. Today I will show you how master a song using Ableton Livestock plugins. Mastering is not an easy thing to do, it requires a lot of time and effort. So, it is important that you watch the video until the end, so that you do not miss any details. In mastering and mixing, more important than plugins, is the listening system you use, in addition to the room. In my case, I use Presonus Series 3.5 speakers, AC K240 Studio and Audio-Technica M30X headphones. Not only do you listen to the result in your home studio, you should also try it on your cell phone, car, and other music equipment. There are several plugins that emulate acoustics and professional speakers, but we will see this in another video. Let's start mastering. First I will load the song. It is one that I have never released, of the bass house genre. Now let's listen to the song, and let's just focus on the part where it sounds loudest, the drop.
It's a bow, bow, bow. It's a bow, bow, bow. It's a bow, bow, bow. It's a bow, bow. It's a slap, bow, bow, bow. It's a bow, bow, bow. It's a bow, bow, bow. It's a bow, bow. It's a knock.
I will take a utility to lower the decibels a bit. This helps the signal not saturate and does not exceed 0 dB when adding the other plugins.
Bow, bow, bow. It's a bow, bow, bow. It's a bow, bow, bow. It's a bow, bow. It's a slap, bow.
On the master channel, I will first add the glue compressor, to make the mixture take a more uniform shape. This is a very good plugin, since it emulates the compressor of solid-state logic consoles. We will only compress about 4 or 5 decibels, with a not very fast attack and an automatic release.
Bow, bow, bow. It's a bow, bow, bow. It's a bow, bow, bow. It's a bow, bow. It's a slap, bow, bow, bow. It's a bow, bow, bow. It's a bow, bow, bow. It's a bow, bow. It's a knock. Bow, bow, bow. It's a slap. Bow, bow, bow. It's a knock. Bow, bow, bow. It's a bow, bow, bow. It's a bow, bow, bow. It's a bow, bow. It's a slap.
Now the equalization. Don't be afraid if you have to use very pronounced parameters. In this case I am adapting the curve that I have heard in another song, so that it is cleaner and more balanced.
Bow, bow, bow. It's a bow, bow, bow. It's a bow, bow, bow. It's a bow, bow. It's a knock. Bow, bow, bow. It's a slap. Bow, bow, bow. It's a knock. Bow, bow, bow. It's a bow, bow, bow. It's a bow, bow, bow. It's a
We will load another EQ, but this time in mid-side mode, where we will increase the stereo image only in high frequencies, a little in the middle, and add a high pass. I also liked the idea of adding a bit of saturation. To end the limiter to give you the final gain. Let's listen to the result with and without the processes, leaving only the limiter activated. And this was it for today. If you liked, give it a like and subscribe. Don't forget to visit ovamusic.website to find great sample packs and presets. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial. Bye.